welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are coming back, thank you for coming back, and for those of you who are new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. I promise you, you're gonna love the channel. You will have no regrets for your subscription. So please go ahead, hit the notification button too, so you are the first one to watch my videos as soon as I load them. Okay, so let's get into business. Well, today I am having seven designer heels that I would like to talk about and give you guys some tricks and advice on how to choose comfortable heels, because comfortable heels can really change a woman's life, believe me. So my first one, simply because reviewing my first one is Dolce Gabbana, and Dolce Gabbana D&G is my first on the list because I have lots and lots of stuff from Dolce Gabbana. Let it be heels, let it be sneakers, let it be bags, let it be perfumes. Oh my god, sometimes I feel I don't even know why I'm so Dolce Gabbana addicted. Okay, so these heels right here, you can see the heel. It's about a little bit large, it's medium, between large and small, so you have comfort in these heels. These ones, you can basically wear them all day and you don't have problems with the heel. Still reviewing Dolce Gabbana and still reviewing almost the same heel, the same comfortable heel. So I have also this one, which is for occasions. As you can see, it's all bling bling bling. It's all bling bling and all gold. You can have a modification in your heels whenever you see heels that you can't really not take home. It's okay, you can buy them, but then you try to modify them. How? You see, if you can tell, these ones I modify them and put a sole. This I added another sole because whenever I would walk, I would feel like I'm stepping on stones. Little is stepping on stones, guys. So what I did is I went to my Cobra and I added a sole, which is I don't know, you cannot really see, it is it has also this anti-slide. So my next designer is Sophie. So we're having this heel right here, okay, and I should say that this block heel is very comfortable, suitable for every occasion. Let it be office, let it be happy hour, let it be party, let it be dinner, whatever you want to do with this. It's comfortable. It's a very comfortable block heel. But here, to my opinion, whenever, just like the ones of Yves Saint Laurent, whereby I had this added on by my Cobra, the same thing is what I would do for this, because It depends, obviously. Whenever I wear them, I don't like walking on heels and feel like I'm stepping on stones, you know, you understand? So this is the same as this one. So it's the same thing that I did like the Yves Saint Laurent here. I have done the same thing for this brand, you see. So you just add another sole, and things become easier, obviously easier to rock and stand and be gorgeous and look sexy. So basically, guys, this is my advice that I'm giving to you. If you're choosing heels, please make sure you go for comfort. Obviously looks matter a lot, but then I should say that looks and comfort should always be together. Versace, and you can see they have extra, they are quite very high, I should say, but they are very comfortable. You know why they are very comfortable? Obviously it's because they have a plateau, and this is what I mean, okay? Whenever you see very high heels with a plateau, then just know that 95% these heels are comfortable. Luciano Padovan, you can see this is quite interesting. It's very beautiful. I find it very comfortable. I find it very unique and sexy at the same time. So this kind of heel, you can also go and buy it blindly. I'm sure 100% you can trust me, it's gonna be comfortable. Next, we're having Giorgio Armani. Now this small stiletto heel, as you can see, nothing beats comfort on a heel like this. This is absolutely comfortable. I think you can just go blind, buy even blindly. You should consider, even if it's on internet and you're like wondering whether it's comfortable or not, I am telling you and advising you, just go ahead and buy. This kind of heel is, nothing beats comfort like this, obviously in heels. I'm talking about in heels. So this Giorgio Armani here, you see it's an evening wear. It has all this shining stuff here, Swarovski. So you can, if you don't really mind about height, like being tall and something like that, these ones are #1 must buys. They can go with anything. They can go with this. You can rock them with this dress here, and you look gorgeous. You can rock them with red also, and you will still look gorgeous. So these ones are a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. You cannot go wrong with this one. So let's go ahead and buy this without any doubt. Thank you for watching till the end. Those of you, I still remind you, who have not yet subscribed, please do. You're gonna see lots of videos about fashion, DIYs and lifestyle in general. So please make sure you do subscribe and support your girl, at least to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Till next time. Bye.